video here. I'm gonna show you, update you on the crocodile stuff. So this is us on the Black River. Look, here we are. We're coming from a long, sucky ride. We have met three different crocodiles. And guess what? I don't want to see the 20-footer because if I see that one, they say it can, if it touches the boat, it can turn it over. So this is us right here. Here, guys, look. It's right there. And we're on our way back. We're going back to where we came from, and here's some other people on their boat ride going somewhere else. Update you on the video. We're in Jamaica, guys, and